Hi there, Chris here. And the cats, we're all kind of hanging out in the lab. There's Suki, and there's Slinky back there. Slink, open your eyes, can't see you. She's back there next to the wild animals back there. Anyway, and we have Bears back and Murloc in the audience today. We always have little Murloc in the audience, and if you, if you watch his videos and look at like the light that he uses, on the light is a little Suki sticker. So I put him here so you could always see him a little bit. Anyway, I have this seal lock, and it is a warded lock. It's kind of cool looking. What's up, Sook? And this is the key that came with it, but it's not really the right key. And if you look at it, you can see somebody's sort of filed it down, taken this part off to make it work. And it does kind of work. I mean, you can, if you put it in the right position, you can get this to spring. There you go. Now it's locked back up. So I thought I would try the Sparrows picks. They come in this very cool little pack. And I keep a bunch of these picks in there. These are not Sparrows, these are Chinese picks that they work pretty damn good. There's a couple sets of those. And these are the Sparrows warded picks. And these are the Sparrows wafer picks, which I have managed to pick one lock with these. One ignition lock in the Sparrows ignition, like car ignition locks, one. So I don't want to say they don't work very well, but I have tons better luck with these. And these are kind of cool for scratching the cat too. She likes that. Anyway, let's see if we can get into the seal. I'm not going to use those, but I'm going to try and use, well, we'll just go through these. If I can get them sorted out. We'll start with this one. It's double-sided. So, if this were the correct key, I would kind of try and match up the key. It's not really the correct key, but this one, you know, first it has to fit in there and go all the way to the back. Nothing. I feel spring there. It does do it if you pop that. But let's try, I wonder if I have something bigger. Maybe this one. I want to get one that you just turn it and you don't have to help it. Because sometimes that made up key, if you get it, will pop it. But it is an old lock, so maybe not. Uh-oh. Went too far. I wonder if it'll go around. Yeah, it goes around. Okay. Well, that's not happening. Let's try this. That guy. No. But as you can see, it's just a matter of fiddling with it. try the biggest one. I might have already tried this. Okay, that gets it. If it won't pop on its own, that's all right. It's a very cool looking old lock. A seal. It doesn't have anything written on it. But there you go. Thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe, hit the don't like, don't subscribe. I do want to thank all my new subscribers, my old subscribers, for all the support on this channel. Don't forget, Suki has her fire sale giveaway. Really, anybody can enter. If you're an advanced picker and you're in a slump, enter when you're in the slump, because then you're a beginner again. So I think there's 5 entries at this point. So the odds are really good to pick up a whole slew of locks. All right, we will see you next time.